Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make blurred background in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application and I'm going to make the background of this video blurry. If we want to create blurred background, we need to duplicate this video. You can right click on your video and then select copy, and then you can click on paste. Okay, and we're going to remove the background of the second video. You can go to the remove background option and then you can select auto removal, but unfortunately guys, this feature is only for premium user, but don't worry because we can still remove the background of our video with the custom removal. But here I'm just going to select this one to make the process faster. Okay, and wait for a moment. And then after the background has been removed, we're going to apply blur effect to our main layer. You can go to the effect and then you can search for the blur effect. Then I'm going to apply the blur effect to my main layer. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create a blurred background in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.